What if I told you from your own home you could build a real income stream without a boss, without commute, and without any technical experience? Sounds good to be true, right? Well, I'm going to show you how to start a home business that's changing retirement and how real people over 50 are doing this every day. Hey, John Davies here, and if you're approaching retirement, already retired, or thinking my pension just isn't going to cut it, then stick with me because this video is for you. I've been there, that quiet moment at night, wondering if there's another way, if we can do something different, if anything's going to work for me. Well, there is, and today I want to introduce you to it. Well, here's the truth that most people don't want to say out loud. The retirement model is broken, pensions are shrinking, the cost of living is rising, and we don't want to depend on the government. That's something we don't want to gamble on. So the question isn't, should I do something about this? The question is, what do I do? The answer for me was affiliate marketing, one of the best home business ideas. Now, before your eyes glaze over, let me explain something about this. It's quite simple. You recommend a product or service, someone buys through your link, you get paid a commission. That's it. You don't create anything, you don't handle stock, you don't deal with customers, the company handles everything. You just connect people with something that truly helps them. And the income is residual, meaning that all the time you're on holiday, spending time with your grandkids, children, or even sleeping, you do the work once and the residual income keeps coming in. You can do this from your kitchen table, your bedroom, your office indoors. All you need is a laptop, a phone and a Wi-Fi connection. No experience is needed, no big investment. You just need to be coachable, willing to learn something, and you're off to the races. Now, the program I highly recommend for this is something called the Home Business Academy. I can trust it, I recommend it, and here's why. The training is step by step, it's excellent, it's built for beginners. The community has real people inside it, everybody there willing to help you succeed. Paul and Mike, the founders, are on live calls every day of the week. You can get your questions answered and even more training there live on the calls. So it's a win-win basically. But the thing that really stopped me in my tracks when I found this is it pays 80% commissions. Most affiliate commissions are 20, 30. You're lucky if you get 50%. But 80% is never been heard of online. So this makes it a real opportunity. I've been online for many years and been around the block, but I can honestly say I've never seen a community and payments like this built on integrity, never before. So here's what I'd like you to do if you fancy finding out more. Click the link below in this description. There's no pressure, no hype, no urgency. Just take your time, have a look at what we have to offer and see if it's a fit for you. And if you've got questions, you can hit me up on Facebook, WhatsApp, and any of my socials. Email me. The links will be in the description. I'm always happy to chat and help you through. Give you some more information if you like. And yeah, I'm here to help basically. Because you deserve to go into your retirement years with a financial peace of mind, with a purpose and with freedom. And it all starts with just one decision. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share it with people who may need help as well. The links are in the description and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.